Stop loading washing machine. Child lock setting. Purpose: to prevent accidental operation by children. Switch on the washing machine and press Start button. To activate child lock, look for the lock symbol on the control panel. Press the function button and the water level button simultaneously for 3 seconds, both placed adjacent to the lock symbol. Child lock will be activated. There will be no action if any key is pressed while child lock is active. To deactivate child lock, press the water level button and function button again simultaneously for 3 seconds.